So what do you guys think about these storms today? Not really doing much, are they? That's kind of a shame. All this energy going to waste just because of lack of dew points. I know, I feel the same way you guys do. It's okay. It'll be alright, don't worry about it. You guys will see plenty of tornadoes later on this year, okay? Alright, well we gotta go. You guys take care. See ya. Tornado warned storm. We're just 8 miles south of York, Nebraska, looking to the west. Pretty nice structure on it. Not too shabby.